In this lesson, we are going to talk about a problem you might occasionally run into when using EasyEDA or the online PCB editor. What to do if your PCB file doesn't respond when you try to open it. If you click on a PCB file and the page keeps loading without opening, or the interface just freezes, you can try the following methods. First, check your network connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable and not too slow. When opening a PCB file, the software needs to load a lot of data from the server. If the network is unstable, the file may fail to load or the page may appear unresponsive. Another thing to pay attention to is that different types of project files are opened in different ways. An APRO file cannot be opened by double-clicking it directly. It needs to be imported through the software. On the other hand, an APRG file can be opened directly by double-clicking. If the file is opening the wrong way, the project may not load properly. If your network connection is fine, you can try clearing your browser cache. Here are the steps. Press F12 to open the browser's developer tools. Click Application in the tab at the top. Find Storage on the left side. And click Clear Site Data in the middle to clear the cache data for the current website. After that, refresh the page and try opening the PCB file again. In most cases, this should fix the problem. Don't worry, this action only clears the website cache. It will not delete your project data, so it's safe to do. Alright, that's one way to fix the issue when a PCB file doesn't respond while opening. If you encounter a similar problem while using the editor, you can try these steps first. See you in the next one.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.